Hello, this is Debbie Watson, Interim Director of Public Health at Tameside Council. The coming weeks are a time for reconnecting with loved ones and reflecting on the year, and Christmas is a time for goodwill for our families, friends and communities. The new Omicron variant is now the dominant strain in Tameside, with case rates rising significantly. The new variant is spreading much faster and vaccine protection is reduced. This year, there are two things we can do to look out for each other. The first is to book a jab, whether it's a first, second or third primary dose or a booster dose. Extra COVID-19 vaccination clinics have been arranged in Tameside and Glossop to meet the national pledge of every adult being offered a booster jab by the end of December. Our 5 vaccination hubs have each added extra clinics that will cover daytime, evening and weekends across the area. I'd urge everyone to grab a jab to protect themselves and others, and it's never too late to get your first or second dose. We'd love to see you at our vaccination hubs. The latest details of when the local vaccination hubs are open to drop in or book, or destinations for our vaccination bus, can be found at www.tameside.gov.uk/COVID vaccine. Alternatively, you can book a slot at www.tamesadandglossop.nhsvaccinations.co.uk or at the Mass Vaccination Centre by visiting www.nhs.uk/coronavirus-vaccination or by calling 119. The second ask is to think about those situations where you could pick up or pass on COVID-19 and how you could reduce that risk. What social interaction will you prioritise and what could you reduce? What protective measures can you use to reduce your risk? I'd also urge you to follow the latest measures that have been introduced to slow the spread of the Omicron variant. This is a new variant, but the same tools work against it. That's washing our hands, wearing a face covering in indoor public places, including theatres, cinemas and on public transport. Working from home wherever possible and allowing fresh air into buildings. Undertaking regular lateral flow testing, especially before socialising or visiting anyone who may be vulnerable. And maintaining social distance where possible, minimising your mixing with multiple groups of people or those you don't usually come into contact with. The Chief Medical Officer's advice this week to prioritise social gatherings that matter the most to you and your family are sensible, and I echo it. We all need to do everything we can to slow the spread. It's vital to follow the latest rules and get your booster jab to protect yourself and others and the NHS, and to be able to enjoy the festive season without the need to self-isolate. The pandemic has been incredibly tough, and I'm so grateful to everyone for continuing to support our local community. The weeks ahead represent yet another huge challenge for all of us. I know we can and will rise to the challenge together. So all the best for Christmas and the New Year. Thank you.